Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change date of birth in your Google account or Gmail account easily. And how to know what is the correct age for your Gmail account. Okay, so I will tell you everything. So if you really want to learn how to do that, then please watch my full video carefully. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. And also please follow my this Facebook page because every day I upload a new video into this page so you can learn many things from there. So let's start the process. So first of all, let me share with you what is the actual age for your Gmail account. Let me go to Google and let me share with you something that a child under the age of 13 or the applicable age in their country can have a supervised Google account. I mean, if you give your age below 13, that time your account will be supervised. You cannot manage your Google account, okay? So you need to give your date of birth above 13 or above 15, okay? So let me actually show you how can you change your date of birth in your Google account. So first of all, you'll need to go to Play Store and make sure your Gmail application already up to date. So after updating it, just click here open option and then click here your profile icon, then choose your that account, and if you don't find, then select here arrow sign and you will find your that Gmail account, okay? So after that, just click here manage your Google account, then click here personal info, then scroll down, then click here birthday, and then let me select my date of birth. Suppose this is random date of birth, okay? So make sure you have above 13 age, okay? Either you can make sure you have age above 18, okay? This is the safe age. Okay, so let me choose this one. This is random. And after that, just choose only me. Do not choose anyone, just choose only me. This is best. And after that, you can see in here save option. Okay, so let me click here save option and confirm date of birth. You are 21 years old. Is that correct? Okay, so it will show you what is you are right now. Okay, so let me click here confirm and wait for a few seconds, and your date of birth has been updated. Let me get back from here and let me refresh it, and you can see there is the date of birth already changed. So that's it, guys. So by this easiest process, you can change date of birth in your Gmail or Google account. So thank you so much for watching this video.